How to break a streak on Snapchat immediately. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you break a streak on Snapchat immediately. So if you are looking the procedure to break streak on Snapchat to your friends on Snapchat, this video might be helpful to you. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open Snapchat with your account. Alright, so after you open the Snapchat on your device, you will got such interface. So from here you will have to go the section chat. So simply tap on the chat, and now from here you'll have to choose and hold that conversation of that person whom you want to break streaks. So I'm choosing and holding this one, and after you hold the conversation you'll have to go the options like manage friendship. Okay, so from here you'll have to go the options like block. So simply after you click on this block option, it will immediately break the streak from that person. So this is the only way to break streak on Snapchat for the person on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.